I'm here to show you all how I maintain my hair, and I use these little scrunchy rubber band things. I got them from, I think, Michael's, I believe, and I'm not even sure what they're called, but I will look into it and leave it in the description box. So look down below if you want to know more about what these things actually are. But yeah, so I have 3. You can always use as many, or if you just need 1 for your hair, but I use 3. And so I section the top. Like that. And then I split it down the middle. And I put this side on. And I put the other side on as well. And the reason why I use these type of scrunchy loose rubber bands is because it won't put a dent in my hair. And I know my hair is already in a twist out hairstyle, but I don't want to have a very, you know, defined line in my hair, and these scrunchies don't give me that. So this is why I like them. And you can just go to sleep on a silk pillow, or of course put you a bonnet on. I do either or, so it's really up to you. But yeah, so okay, so this is how I sleep with my hair, and I'll be back in the morning to show you guys what my hair looks like after I've slept on it for a few hours, and then how I, of course, refresh my hair as well. So don't go anywhere. Okay, you guys, it is the morning time. This is what my hair looks like when I have slept on it. My curls are still here. So I just like to take this down and the other side down. And of course the top side. And honestly, all I do is kind of like shake my curls out. So I might shake my head, kind of massage my scalp to loosen up the curls at the root of it. And so all you're really doing basically is playing with your hair to wake it back up. You just want to wake your hair up. Hey y'all, so I had someone comment on one of my videos and ask me how do I keep my twisted out moisturized throughout the week, along with they wanted to see my hair on the 2nd day, 3rd day, 4th day, and so on. So this is what I'm adding to this part of the video. So I don't spray my hair throughout the week, and I really don't have a moisture problem with my twist outs. My hair is really, this is the 3rd day, this is 3rd day hair, and my hair typically, you know, stays soft and stays moisturized. The biggest problem that I have is that throughout the week, of course, my hair won't be as defined. So this part right here will start to get a little frizzy and not as defined, and my hair will get a little frizzy in the front. That's my biggest problem. So I don't really have the answer to how I keep my hair moisturized. I don't have that problem, so I don't think this part of the video will help you all. However, of course, I will add, you know, 3rd day, 4th day, you know, 5th day hair. She made that comment. And then this is what my hair looks like in the back. It's worse, but thank you guys for watching. If I don't get to tell you that, thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any comments, leave any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.